everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have my Nail Shack. Got this very early, which is exciting. Never mind that. I'm just going to pop this out of the bag while I'm telling you about Nail Shack. Nail Shack is $9.95 a month. You receive 4 full sets of nail strips, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file. Ships worldwide from the U.S. Enjoy salon quality nails at home. New designs each month. No drying time. Easy application. If you do follow it's DIY Nail Shack on Instagram, and you like some of the strips that they put up, I believe it's Deanna. I would assume she's doing it. If you like them, she keeps track of that, and then when you get, if you're a subscriber, she will try to at least pull 1 or sometimes 2 things that you have liked. So be careful what you like on it, unless you love them all. Then she will try to send them to you in your bag. So it always comes in this cute little bag. So we'll just take everything out of the bag. I saved the bags because I do giveaways with some of these. Here's the cuticle pusher and the nail file. So this is this side of the file, and then it's plain on the other, glittery. You know, the cuticle pusher. Try not to touch these too much because I usually include them in my giveaway. I love that you always get a paper from her, which is, you know, explaining all about it, what to do, tips and tricks, you know, where to find them. So I find that helpful if you're not sure. So I'll put that back in the bag, because usually if I do a giveaway, I send that along too. Ooh, nice. This is the first set. These are beautiful. Subtle, but yet the pop of bling. I'm happy for that. These are cute too. Not my favorite. I'm not big into the florals, but these are really cute. Great spring summer coloring. Wow. Oh, I love the next 2 sets. And these I think I did like on her site. I'm not sure. Look at these. Pretty. You know, just a solid color, but pop of bling. Now these are awesome. Look at these. Memorial Day, July 4th, Labor Day, or just wear them whenever. They're the silver background with the blue and the red stars. I think they are adorable. Even if you just use these, like if you did red nails and just grabbed a few for, you know, your accent. You don't have to do all 10. I would not do all 10 with this. Could you mix and match with any of these? Probably not. But I think this, you know, if you like to do, I love blue, navy blue. Nails. My nails have to be super short I like super short for darker colors. I think it has a bigger punch. Like if I had navy blue, I would definitely pop these on red. I'm not a big red wearer, but I would if I wanted to wear these. So thank you, Deanna, for sending these to me every month. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I do share these in giveaways. I wait until I have, you know, enough to do maybe 2 or 3 giveaways. This way, you know, makes it worth the, you know, time to do a giveaway. So I might save a few of these. I always save the file and the cuticle pusher and the paper because I don't use those. And I keep everything in the bag. Like this is a small envelope, so I won't keep this one. I like the bigger envelopes if I'm going to do a giveaway to ship. So I will hold on to some of them for a future giveaway. I think I have a couple sets from prior. So I will add them to it, and once I get enough to do a giveaway, maybe next month or the month after, then I will do a giveaway. I always appreciate getting these. I think they're so much fun, and I know you guys are loving them too. So I hope everyone's doing well. Let me know down in the comments, you know, what you think about this. I love it. My nails are a mess. I need to do them, but I'm having a big party this weekend. My mom turns 91. We didn't get to celebrate 90 because of the pandemic, so we're definitely doing 91. So I still have some stuff to do, so I don't want to do my nails and then get them trashed over the next day or 2. Cleaning and prepping and doing all that stuff. So I'll wait until the night before and take care of them. This way they look clean and fresh. Have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.